AI models can be incredibly beneficial for corporations, offering a wide range of applications. Here's a breakdown of how AI is used in businesses. AI model from historical data and forecast logic. Book for your library and Python programs for the result, shown in video. Scan QR code, bookstore in the cloud. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI-DNN architect. Forecasted production by item and location. X-axis, this represents different years. From 2024, 2025, and 2026. Y-axis, represents the forecasted production volume. Bars, each bar signifies the forecasted production for a specific item in a particular location for a given year. The colors potentially represent different items, A, B, C, or locations, Bombay, Delhi, Gurgaon. Values, the values on top of each bar represent the forecasted production volume for that specific item and location in that year. Here are some general points about how AI models are used for production forecasting. Machine learning models. AI models trained on historical production data can learn patterns and relationships between factors that influence production. These models can then be used to forecast future production levels based on current or predicted values of those influencing factors. Factors affecting production. Historical data on production include factors like item type, A, B, C. Location, Bombay, Delhi, Gurgaon. Past production volumes. Raw material availability. Machine capacity. Seasonality. Forecast logic. The AI model's logic is based on the training data it receives. The model identifies patterns and learns to associate past values of influencing factors with production outcomes. This knowledge is then used to predict future production when presented with new data. AI models can be incredibly beneficial for corporations, offering a wide range of applications. Here's a breakdown of how AI is used in businesses. Thank you.